Hi all, I'm Kai from Element. I'm excited to share that we've just launched our V1 API, and I want to show you a glimpse of what you can build with our AI speech synthesis. Let's start with one of our new offerings, Instant Voices. With our V1 API, you can have a new AI voice in just a few seconds. So first, I have a voice recording here titled My Voice Recording, which is just a 30-second audio clip of myself talking. I'm using our Python SDK and creating a speech object with my Element API key. Then, I use the create voice method on the speech object, naming this voice Kai, allowing my audio to be enhanced since there's some background audio, and setting the type to instant. Now when I run this, my voice will be immediately ready. Sweet. So now I'll copy this ID, and let's see this voice in action. I'll demonstrate this new voice with our ultra low latency full-duplex streaming API. Let's start by copying this voice ID I just got. And I'll be asking it to give me an inspirational message. Let's see this work.
Believe in yourself and your abilities. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, knowing that you have the strength and resilience to overcome them. Remember that success
Awesome.
is not defined by the absence of
So
failures,
what I've done
but
is
by the
prompt
determination to
ChatGPT,
rise
and
each
its
time
response
you
is being
fall.
sent to our streaming
You
API
have within
as it's
you
being
the power to
generated.
shape your own
At the
destiny
same
and
time,
make a
Element is
positive
synthesizing the
impact in the world.
speech and sending it back as it's ready. Element is also sending back information on the duration of each word it's speaking. This allows us to time the display of each word to when it's actually spoken. This is super useful for chatbots. You can see an example of it at app.element.com. And again, what's really cool about our full duplex streaming is that it's really easy to stream text to Element and stream audio back. There's no need to worry about when or where to cut things. It's all taken care of for you. Now let's get back to the code. So first, I've created a streaming connection using our voice ID and asking it to return extras, which includes the things like the durations information. I then create two tasks, one for reading and one for writing. The writing task prompts ChatGPT and sends each chunk to Element by appending it to the connection. The reading task will iterate through each message that arrives in the connection. In this code, it's writing each audio chunk to an MP3 file, but you could do whatever you want to do with these audio chunks to suit your needs. I then iterate through the durations list included in the message, printing each word timed to the duration of that word. This effect helps bring life to both the text and the speech. All this code took less than 10 minutes to write. As you can see, Element makes it super easy to create your own voices and start streaming with ultra low latency. You should also check out everything else we've introduced in V1, including the ability to edit voice metadata, delete voices, and star your favorite voices. Visit docs.element.com for more.